Step 11 on Excel Chapter 2 is to format the other column heading rows 4 right here and 17 to match the fill color and the range E17 right here, this blue, to 817. And what I do is I highlight E17 to 817. I come up to my font dialog box and to the fill bucket, and I click on the fill bucket, and you'll notice, hopefully you can see this on the video, it has slightly highlighted dark blue text 2. If I double dark blue text 2 lighter 60%, if I double click that, because that's what it told me it is, then I can go over here to the rest of row 17, and it's already defaulted now in my fill bucket because I double clicked it. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go to the total row 4, which would just be to J4, and then hit the fill bucket. And then it asks us to match the fill color in that range. E17 to 817, we did that. Wrap the text for the header column. So right now I have row 4 highlighted to J4, and I'm going to go into my font dialog box, which is on the home tab, and click that tiny little arrow, and it'll bring a format cells up for us. And we want to go to alignment, which is the second tab, and right here under text control is wrap text. Troops, there's always 7 different ways to do this in Excel. I'm sure you can find a different way. I'm going to go ahead and highlight row 17 because it talked about wrapping text. Go back into the home tab into the font dialog box and to the alignment tab and click wrap text again. And we finished step 11. Step 12 asks us to set the left and right margins to 0.3, and we'll come back, and then also ensure the page prints on one page. So I like to keep working in my we'll go to the 4th tab, page layout, and we'll go to the page setup. We'll click margins, and I'm going to go ahead and come down here to custom margins. Either one of these would be fine, and it'll give us the old margin dialog box. And what we want to do is we want our left margins at 0.3, and I just find it easier just to highlight it and type 0.3. You can use the arrows to click down if you prefer, see? But look, it brings us to 0.25 or 0.5, so we need in between that, and we're going to click 0.3. Now it's talking to make sure that the page prints on one page. We can go to our print preview dialog box, or you can go file print, and it will bring up the print menu right over here at the left. And we need custom scaling. We want to make sure that this sheet fits onto one page. And like I said, you could have also gone there by going file print. It would have given you a print preview, and you could come over here to print settings. So we click fix sheet on one page, which it has. We can see this is what it's going to preview print as. We're going to go back and save, and that's the end of step 12. Step 13, insert a footer with your name on the left side, the date code in the center, and the file name on the right side. I go back to page layout again. I go to margins. I go to custom margins. Again, there's several ways to get here. You do what works for you. I'm going to click the 3rd tab in the page setup dialog box to header footer, and then I'm going to custom footer. If I just wanted to put a page number, or if I just wanted to put my name and copyright, footer would be fine, but this is asked us for a 3-panel footer. So we have a left section that we are going to put our name on. So I'm going to put Lewis. I hit tab to go to the middle section. It's asking us for the date code. If you look up here at the top, it will let you know which one of these icons represents what. Here is insert date, here is insert time, here is insert file path, file name, sheet name, picture, and format picture. We're going to come back up here to date. I'm going to insert the date. And then it says, I'm going to hit the tab button, and I'm in the right section of the custom footer dialog box, and it says enter the file name on the right side. And see this little icon? That's the file path. But if you move over one more, it looks like an Excel miniature worksheet. It's the file name. Click on that, then click OK. save, OK again, save again. You have completed step 13. The final step is to save your workbook and submit the file. Always make sure you save and close, because that is how you'll be able to upload your file for grading. Great job. Thanks for working with me.